Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, I am going to discuss the question bank extra questions from chapter 4, class 10 computer science. The chapter name is link and frame in HTML5. So first, here are some MCQ which already came in previous HSLC examination. There are three different kind of link and you can have on your website. Choose one of them from the following: external, internal, v-link. So it is there are three different kind of external. We have local, internal and global. So the correct option is internal. Which of the following is not an attribute? This is not required. It is from the old book. To select an email is required before the address. It is mail to. The value of the target attribute opens the document in the same frame. It will be self. Number 3. Rajkumar want to send an email to def@xyz.com through his web page. Suggest him to accomplish the task. So for question 3, Rajesh should use the following command: A HREF, then mail to. After it, we'll write the email address def@xyz.com. Quotation close. Then send email. So you write Rajesh should use the following command, HTML command. Raina has a link which is in the menu window and she want to load the page in main window. This is not required. It is from the old book. Rita want to give not required. This attribute of frame tag not required. If you want to create an email link is required. The answer is 6-2 mail to. Number 7. Name the attribute whose value can be any valid URL that point to an image. Number 7 will be src. Number 8. What is it called? A file that specify not required from omitted part. Now Monjit created an anchor called department as follow. Now he want to make the link pointing to this anchor which is within the current page. Help him to accomplish his work. For question 9, he should write A HREF, then quotation hashtag department, then bracket close. Sorry, I have not written. Then department, A close. So he should write the following command. Rishita want to display an inline image named myphoto.jpg located. How she could do so? So you will write for question 10, img src equal f myphoto.jpg, my then bracket close. Indrani want to send an email through her web page. She wrote the following, but she is not getting the desired result. Identify the error and correct. She missed the mail to keyword before ABCDXYZ. Means the answer is same as question 3. So the number 11 will be this one. A HREF mail to, here ABC, then xyzmail.com. she should write this way. Number 12, Rita has written the following code with not required. Husker want to set top and bottom frame merging, not required. One word answer. It is a special word or set of words contain the text displayed by browser. It is a hypertext. Name the tag which affect the appearance of the text. This is physical tag but from the old book. It is an unidirectional pointer hyperlink. This is A and C is hyperlink. Now number 11, answer the question in one word. It is a pop-up box which is used to take input. This is prompt. This is not from chapter 4 actually, it is from JavaScript. So this is not from this chapter. Now some additional question. The tag specify an image to be displayed in HTML5. This is img. src is an attribute of img tag. This is a middle. Attribute of table tag. This is border. Which of the following is the best format? It is JPG. I think these questions are from chapter 3. I have already solved. So let's skip it. Now see here, consider the following question. This type of questions are here, questions only missing. This one, write codes for the following. The source of the image is asoka.gi. So for question 20, to solve question 20, we have two ways. We can write all the commands together or we can write separately one by one. So here I am writing all the answer together. So first img src equal source of the image is asoka, so asoka dot gif. Then set width and height are 200 and 100. Width equal 100, height equal 100. Then it is right align, so align equal right. Then the vertical space around the image is 12 and 8 pixels respect. Then image is no border, so border equal 0. The vertical space around the image is 12 and 8, so v space equal 12 8. Then bracket close. But this one is not required, it's from the old book. So whatever question you are getting from chapter 3, 4, maximum questions are from before 2019. So these questions, most of the questions are means not necessary, they are from the old book. As the following question in one word. It is a tag specify individual block. This is tr, but why it is adding here? Write the purpose for creating table in HTML. These are also, I think I have already discussed. What is spanning in table? Not required. This is not required. What is the use of creating table? It's already in book, you can see it from there. Why HTML gain importance? You can write HTML is the meta markup language which have many features which can be viewed in different systems. That's why it's gained popular. What is the use of body tag? Body tag include everything whatever we display on the page. It is the main part of a HTML document which we can see on the browser. Identify the error. This is also from the old book, so not needed. Difference between TRTD you already got only. Difference between text align and vertical align. Text align give the horizontal alignment, vertical align give the vertical alignment. Difference between text align, vertical and same only. You can write it from there. Write the command to insert an image. This is from the old book, not required. And this is also from the old book. This is also not required. Write HTML command. Write the HTML command that will do for table. This is also not required from the old book. Write the difference between HTML and XML. This is having book, you can see it from there, and this is also not required. So most of the questions are from the old book only. Consider the following code. This is also not needed. Number 19. It is a tag that specifies individual block in a table or row. What is that called? The tag called TD. Then long questions. Write the purpose of creating table. The following code intends a centralized image picture in browser window. However, the result is not coming. The mistake is here, align equal middle, not center. And it is from the old book only. What is spanning table? Not needed. This is also not needed. I think repeated only. So these are some questions. Here have and from HTML chapter 3 and 4, most of the questions comes in practical only. Theory you'll get very less questions. If you have still any questions which you didn't understood where you got in other question papers, you can send it to me. I'll solve it for you. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then,